Are you using white noise the right way for your baby? Because what most parents do isn't actually safe. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what to avoid and the simple way to fix it. Because white noise does work, just not the way most people think. You turn it on, your baby calms down, they finally sleep, and for a moment, it feels like magic, like you've figured it out. But here's what no one tells you. That magic only works when it's used correctly. Otherwise, it can quietly do the opposite. If the sound is too loud or placed too close to your baby, those constant sound waves can actually overwhelm their tiny developing ears. And because babies can't tell you what feels uncomfortable, they just react. Sometimes with restlessness, sometimes with sudden waking, sometimes with more crying. And here's the part most parents miss. Using white noise all night long can slowly affect how your baby's brain learns to settle on its own. Their nervous system is still learning how to feel safe without external input. And if it's always filled with sound, that learning process gets delayed. Now, pause for a second. Where do you keep yours? Is it right next to the crib? On the bed? Across the room? Most parents never think about this part, but this is where everything changes. Because here's the truth. You're not doing anything wrong. You're doing what works, and that matters. But with just a few small adjustments, you can make it even better. White noise is actually incredibly helpful when used the right way. Keep the volume low, around the level of a soft shower, not loud enough to dominate the room. Place the device at a safe distance, at least 5 to 6 feet away from your baby, not right next to their head. And most importantly, use it when needed, not continuously all night. This way, your baby gets the comfort without overwhelming their system, and their brain still learns how to settle naturally over time. So no, you're not spoiling your baby. You're not making a mistake. You're learning. And that's what good parenting looks like. And now you know, white noise doesn't just work, it works best when used the right way. If this helped you even a little, follow for more simple, science-based parenting support